Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Let's Code. I'm Uma and today we're going to learn how to download and install Turbo C++. To download Turbo C++, I have created a Google Drive link which you can find in the description below of this video. So when you click on the link, you will be redirected to a page which is this where the setup files of Turbo C++ 3.2 is present in a zip folder. So first we have to download the zip folder. It takes some time, but I think it should be done. Okay, so I'll save it. The download is complete. Now I'll launch this. So first I have to unzip it because it is in a compact folder. Okay, I have to click next, unzip and install. Take a few moments, it'll be done in no time. So my laptop is of 64-bit. You can just check before downloading. Okay, I can close this. Okay, so my Turbo C++ is installing. Click on next, accept the terms and conditions, next, and install. Yeah, so you can check your size of the system, the number of bits in in the system info, and then you can download. This is for Windows 64-bit. Yeah, so we are done. Launch the program. So I have this desktop icon. I can also create a shortcut in it to taskbar. Yeah, so start Turbo C++. So we've completed everything. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And for any query, you can give a comment on the video. I'll reply ASAP. Thanks for watching.